Assalamualaikum, marhaba. Yala. Welcome to my vlog, Yorme 23. Push your luck. Miss Elizabeth Arden, number 1.
Ano mo ba na-house and lot ka, ma'am? Okay na po. Parang hindi pa siya nag-stop. Lahat ng stock to eh.
Free drip. Free drip.
Free drip? Vitamin drip? Sana mabilis lang.
House and lot yan.
Ay, Happy Easter!
Happy Easter, nagsimba kami.
Easter!
May 2 friends, oh. Miss Beautiful, oh. Number 1.
Nakamuha
Shout out, Elizabeth Arden, number 1. Number 1. Shout out to all BA Perfume Shop, especially Clinic Elizabeth Arden and Creation. Kulo tamam, Mia Mia, Rakam Wahed. Shout out Dan Bataguas from Ilocos Sur and Joel from Bulgari.
Ayun na, dali na.
Number 1. This is IKEA Festival Plaza, Jebel Ali, Dubai, UAE. Beautiful place. Very nice. Let's eating, guys. Shawarma, French fries, and croissant. Hello to all Shipsy. Concourse A, number 1. You can buy carpet, flowers, housewares, plates, table, chairs, bed, cabinet, candles, plates, glass, extension cord, power bank, shower curtain, any kinds of glass. Foods, picture frame. Hello everyone. Best regards to all my colleagues and my friends at Dubai Duty Free. Especially to all my big boss, Boss Sanjay, Boss Shapik, and Boss Tangkachan. Stay healthy. Take care always. God bless. Shout out to my friends Pubir from Uzbekistan. Big Sam from Kenya. Nashad from Pakistan. Amin from Morocco. Ron and Danny from Electronics. Stay pretty boy. Stay healthy. This is extension cord. 220 volts. UK plug and Middle East. You can charge also your mobile by USB. Very nice, very good. Number 1. Hello to all OFW, seaman, sea woman, also Alrega boys, Sherwin, Creus, Reggie, Dwight, Carlos, Onen, Christian, Master, Rick Rock, Edmar, Ompong, Tonyo. Take care always, my friend. Hello to Katropang Miguel, Loverboy, King David, and also Iris Village. And to all Kuya Eagles Club, Dubai chapter. Stay healthy and enjoy your life. This is table setup. Very nice. You can buy, you can put in your house also. Different kinds of flower, different colors.
Proceed to counter 3.
Shout out to my friend Menjil, Sandro, Cooks, and Papa Kent. Guys, we buy all these items at IKEA. Dubai Plaza, Jebel Ali, UAE.
Ang dami na.
Pinawil.
This is Health Hub Clinic by Alpotame. Yala,
Pinawil. House and lot.
push your luck. Miss Elizabeth Arden, number 1.
Free drip?
My friend Joseph, Edgar, and Edgardo.
May question na.
Health check-up.
Mr. Health for fasting 80.
Ayaw nga pala, Easter.
This is for fasting. Maplang, mamaya sumama ka. Your friend. Gusto mo may maplang, may Zumba kami sa building 173, 3 p.m.
136 over 87.
High blood.
No, maybe because of motion. That's why it's a bit. That's normal for me.
120 over 80, Miss
Normal pa yan.
Elizabeth
That's
Arden.
normal for me because I want something. Joseph, show your health now.
Guys, happy Easter Sunday to all my brothers and sisters. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Don't forget, subscribe, like, and follow Yorme23. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy. God bless.